Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today's video I'm going to show on how to remove background noise in CapCut. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Choose a project that you're working on. If you don't have, just tap a new project. But in my case, I will use my recent project. After that, just tap the clip. Then at the bottom, just scroll until you see the reduce noise. Tap on it. After that, just tap the circle to turn it on. Then tap check button.
Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor.
When it's done, just play your video to see the result.
Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor.
And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.